Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 30th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on gold, we did have a fairly decent move up. One thing you really have to keep in mind is this 5 waves down. That's like a perfect 5 wave pattern. This very likely could be a wave A. This could be a wave B. We could potentially already be in a wave C. This move up could potentially be a pullback to the 5 waves down. If you get 1, 2, 3 waves up to any one of these Fibonacci levels, nice engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely continue to look for sorts. The daily has turned down, the weekly has turned down, monthly is still up, but potentially we could make a much bigger move to the downside on gold if this really is either a wave C or possibly a wave Y on the daily time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.